fun static electricity experiment with a butterfly.
Wow! I love butterflies!
So stay tuned to see how we make the butterfly wings flutter up and down. So what is static electricity? Static electricity is the buildup of charge on the surface of an object. If the objects have opposite charges, they will attract. For this fantastic science experiment, you will need a piece of cardboard, some tissue paper, some card, a pencil and a marker, a pair of scissors, but remember to ask Mom for help with the scissors, some googly eyes, a balloon, and some glue stick. So let's get started. Step 1. Cut a square shape from the cardboard. Step 2. Draw the butterfly wings on the tissue paper and place them on the cardboard, but do not glue them down. Step 3. Draw and cut out the butterfly body from the card. Then glue it down in the middle of the wings. Now draw the antenna and glue on the googly eyes. Did you know that butterflies only live for a few weeks? Do you know any other fun butterfly facts? Let us know in the comments. Step 4. Blow up the balloon. Time for the fun part. Rub it in your hair to give it an electric charge. Step 5. Now hold the balloon on top of your butterfly, close but not touching it, and watch the wings rise and lower as you move the balloon closer and further away. Why do the butterfly wings move? When we rub the balloon onto our hair, electrons are lost from our hair and gained by the balloon, giving it a static charge. When the negatively charged balloon gets close to the positively charged tissue paper, they are attracted to each other. And the pull of attraction is so great that the lightweight tissue paper moves toward the balloon. Now this experiment was science-tastic! Well, we hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you all next time. Goodbye, future scientists.